Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and this time we're taking you out to the Downtown Waycross Cruise In. This is a nice little event. We've been to this event before, and it had a bunch of different cars out there, so we decided to go out again. And we weren't disappointed. There were a lot of different cars out there. And this is the Walkabout cam. Had to think about it for a second. Anyway, this was a good show. Lots of awesome cars out there. We almost didn't go because it was raining. But luckily it was not raining in Waycross. So we got the show in, got to have a good time. So we went out and took a lot of pictures and a lot of video. So we're bringing the video to you. Hope you guys enjoy it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. All right.
That's all motor, you know what I'm saying? I mean, aren't these nice? So you're cheap.
Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Downtown Waycross Cruise In. There were a lot of awesome cars out there. It was a good night to be out at a car show. And the weather turned out just right. Didn't rain on us, which was great. Because it rained on us all the way up there to Waycross. So we was kind of worried. But anyway, there were a lot of cool cars out there. So we got to enjoy them out at the car show. Now you guys get to enjoy them online. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.